Hey guys, it's Julia and I'm back with another video for you. Before this video starts, I just wanted to say thank you so much for all of the views and the likes and the love on my last video, and the AC just went on so it's probably gotten louder. I just really enjoy making videos for myself. I've had this channel for quite a long time and I post off and on, but I wanted to get back sort of into the swing of things as college starts, just because I love editing and making videos. And I'm just so grateful that the one small dorm move-in video that I made that was like only 6 minutes long went off so much. It blew my mind, and all of the comments are just so supportive and so nice. So thank you so much to everyone who is a new subscriber or who has supported me this long. I just really appreciate it, and I'm getting sappy and I'm rambling, but just know that I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the love on this video. It keeps getting more views and likes every day, and thank you so much. Okay, enough of me getting sappy. Let's get on with this video. Okay, so it's the next day after I filmed this video that you will see in a moment. But basically, I've been here about a week and I wasn't working for 3 days in a row, so I decided to go home because I just live about 40 minutes away from campus. So my parents picked me up, brought me a couple things that I missed, and then I went home. And while I was home, I was thinking that I wanted to lower my bed because a lot of people were saying it was really high up, and I know, trust me, I know that it's really high up because I had to climb it every single day and it would wobble a little bit. So I did end up lowering it in the video. You'll see that. Not very much, but it's still good enough. And I also was thinking about how kind of cramped I felt in the space and how I could rearrange things to make me happier for the next year or so. And also because my bed was high up and in the way of the window, not a lot of natural light was coming in, which I thought me and my roommate would probably miss. So I decided to rearrange my entire dorm room. My parents also helped me go grocery shopping for a little bit more food because the dining hall is still not open, and I just got a few other things that I missed when we first moved me in. I still have some decorating and minimal things and pictures and lights to hang up, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet. I need to brainstorm, so you won't see that yet. But when I do my dorm tour, which I will do at some point, don't worry, I will definitely have it all updated for you guys. So yeah, enough of me rambling, and here it is. Okay everyone, my parents just left. I don't know if you could tell, but we redid everything, and for those of you commenting that my bed was really high, I know it was. So I lowered it 2 notches. It's still a little bit high, but it fits everything under there because I don't know where else I would put it, you know what I mean? Alright, so now I'm just gonna rearrange and organize more things. Yeah, okay. Phone is. So that was my little dorm rearranging, moving things around, changing everything to make me happier video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for watching my previous couple college videos. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments down below what other videos you would like to see from me. I know I will be a college student, so studying and education is my top priority, but I will try to make some videos here and there, hopefully frequently. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys had a wonderful day or are going to have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!